Mountain, and I just want to show you how you can actually vote on Satoshi. When they say you can vote, mostly you wouldn't actually tell how to do that. So that's what I'm gonna show you. So what you do is you open Satoshi. Then after opening Satoshi, you have to click where it says giveaway. That's just on the right of airdrop. Click there and you check out that. So now when you check out the bottom there, you're going to see three boxes. There's POW. Then just right at the bottom there is 600 available votes. So if you have 0, you can't actually vote. So now for you to be eligible to vote, you have to have at least 3 people whom you've invited to Satoshi. So what I'll do is I'll click on P. And then I say, please enter the number of votes to vote. So I'm gonna enter 200, confirm, then move on to number 2, then click there, enter 200, confirm, then the third one, and your vote. You enter. So now that 600 has actually been proportioned. Okay, so at the bottom there it says voted successfully. And here we go. That's how we do it. That's how we do it.